Recording. Okay, now I'll share my PPTs. Okay, is my screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so there are only 4 PPTs wherein I will just walk you through the institutional and departmental vision and mission, and later on we'll start with our lecture. So here I'll just read it out. Our institutional vision is to impart world-class engineer and management education in an environment of spiritual foundation to serve the global society. There are 4 missions of the institute. First, M1 mission is to develop excellent learning center through continuous design and upgradation of courses in close interaction with R&D centers, industries, and academia. Second mission M2 is to produce competent entrepreneurial and committed technical and managerial human with spiritual foundation to serve the society. Third mission is to develop state-of-the-art infrastructure centers of excellence and to pursue research of global and local relevance. And the fourth mission is to strive for Sarve Bhavanti Sukhinam. The ideal of our parent organization, Sri Gajanan Maharaj Sansthan, Shegaon, through symbiosis of science and spirituality. This was the institutional mission and vision. Departmental vision is to impart quality education and excel in electronics and telecommunication engineering research to serve the global society. Departmental missions are again 4. First mission M1 is to develop excellent learning center through continuous interaction with industry, R&D centers, and academia. Second mission M2 is to produce competent, entrepreneurial, and committed electronics and telecommunication engineers. Third mission M3 is to develop state-of-the-art infrastructure, center of excellence, and to pursue research of global and local relevance. And the last mission M4 is to inculcate ethical, spiritual, and human values to serve the global society. Now, these are the departmental missions and vision we have already seen. Later on, there are certain course outcome. I'll go to that first. Every subject has some, say, course objective and course outcome. Like here is the skill development lab 5. We have already gone through this, but here we'll repeat it again, wherein to learn this subject we need these 5 course prerequisite. That is, you should know signal and system, skill development lab 3, digital communication, digital signal processing, and digital image processing. And our course objectives are to understand and gain complete knowledge about design and implementation of signal processing in communication system, simulation and performance evaluation of digital communication system, design and implementation of algorithm to perform basic implementation image processing operation, and performance evaluation of image processing algorithm and system. Our course outcome means after successful completion of this course or lab, student will be able to apply signal processing algorithm in various communication systems, identify the sustainability of communication system, evaluate the methodologies for image pre-processing and post-processing, apply image processing algorithms in practical applications. I will not go through the syllabus that you know we already discussed. And these are the list of experiments which is given by the university. Near about 17 experiments are there. So we kept 10 experiment based on this or relevant to this. Again, I'll come back to the PPT that Like our course outcomes, COs, we have program outcome. Course means whatever is the course you are learning, like DIP, SDL, then some another subject, that are the course. So here program outcome. So there are total 12 program outcomes decided by NBA, National Board of Accreditation, and those are, I'll just go through. So engineering graduates will be able to, means complete program of electronics and telecommunication after passing you out. Say PO1, that is engineering knowledge. Of course, the student will be able to apply the knowledge of mathematics, science, engineering fundamentals, and an engineering specialization to the solution of complex engineering problem. Second program objective, PO2, is problem analysis. May identify, formulate, review research literature, analyze a complex engineering problem, reaching sustained conclusion using first principle of mathematics, natural science, and engineering sciences. We do this few points out of this, or maybe all point related to say few student. We do this everywhere, like mathematics we use everywhere in every subject. Some engineering fundamentals like Ohm's law, whatever are the say earlier defined rules and laws that we utilize during practical or during project likewise. Then PO3, that is design and development of solution. Design solution for complex engineering problems and design system component or process that meet the specified need with appropriate consideration for public health and safety and the cultural, societal, and environmental consideration. The wordings are somewhat say heavy, but whenever certain say project is done and it comes into the product form, all these parameters are to be taken into consideration. No product is say electronic product is say sanctioned by the say by the committees and until and unless it has public safety. So safety measures are always there. Similarly, environmental conditions. Suppose we are designing certain project and due to that project there might be say some problem with say air pollution or any other pollution. Then of course it will not be this point environmental consideration is not there in particular system. Then PO4 is conduct investigation of complex problem. Use research-based knowledge, research method including design of experiment, analyze and interpret data and synthesis of the information to provide valid conclusions. PO5, modern tool usage. Create, select and apply appropriate techniques, resources and modern engineering and IT tools including prediction of and modeling to complex engineering activities with an understanding of the limitation. Modern tool uses means wherever if you are say using say analog circuits, their simulation you try on say maybe on multi-sim. If controller वगैरह है, you may be using Proteus. Here we are using MATLAB. Somebody may use Scilab. So these are the modern tool. Knowingly we use modern tool for the engineering purpose since from first year to final year. And some programming language tools may be used like C language के लिए, Java के लिए we use thing. Then PO6, the engineer and society. Apply the reasoning informed by the contextual knowledge to access societal, health, safety, legal and cultural issues and the consequent responsibilities relevant to professional engineering practices. So some of the POs may not be say directly say mapped, but it is to be considered. Then PO7, environmental and sustainability. Understand the impact of professional engineering solution in societal and environmental context and demonstrate the knowledge of and need for sustainable development. 8 is ethics. Apply ethical principle and commit to the professional ethics and responsibilities and norms of the engineering practice. PO 9, individual and teamwork. Knowingly, unknowingly, we do this. If suppose the project is or seminar is or certain mini project is given into the team, so you know how to say work in the team. So the function effectively as an individual and as a member or leader in diverse teams and in multidisciplinary setting. 10. Communication. Communicate effectively on complex engineering activities with engineering community and with society at large, such as being able to comprehend and write effective reports and design documentation, make effective presentation, and give and receive clear instructions. Partially, whenever you're in say final year or third year, you do mini projects or say final year project or seminar, you go through all these points like you write a report on particular work done by you work in a team. So these program objectives sometime partially, sometime fully matches to your profile. Then PO11, project management and finance. Demonstrate knowledge and understanding of engineering and management principle and apply these to one's own work as a member and leader in a team to manage projects and in multidisciplinary environments. And the last PO, that is program outcome 12, lifelong learning. Of course, whatever you are learning into the college, most of the things you will you will keep in your memories, like recognize the need for and have the preparation and ability to engage in independent and lifelong learning in broadest context of technological change. And likely we have program specific outcomes. Only for electronics there are two program specific outcome decided by department, that is PSO1. Student will be able to apply fundamental and design knowledge in areas of analog and digital circuits and system for solving the real world engineering problem. And second program specific outcome PSO2 is student will be able to apply fundamental knowledge for analysis and development of communication based circuits and system. So here we went through some short uh, summary of vision and mission of the department and the institution and the program outcomes and program specific outcome. Along with this, we have seen the course outcome as well. So now I'll I'll switch to the SDL, Skill Development Lab 5. Today we'll perform experiment number 5. I'll just find out the folder. Later on, I'll directly come back to you. I'll share the folder and MATLAB window for you. We'll finish one experiment today and then we'll stop. Hello. Okay. Is screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So here recently you studied what is paper and salt noise. Can anybody tell me what is salt noise and paper noise? This is an experiment number 5. Okay. By mistake I made here 6. Yes, what is paper noise? In today's lecture, Ibidal sir has elaborated what is paper noise and salt noise, because I was attending the lecture, I know. Yes, anybody from you? Near about
Sir,
96. Yes.
pixels in black background is called as salt noise.
Okay. It is not the background, it is noise added to image. Suppose you have some photograph and you are taking say white color and ऐसे आपने brush से उसे थोड़ा छिड़क दिया. So जो भी white dot आते हैं वहाँ पे image में, so that is noise. So that will be your what? Salt noise. White है इसीलिए salt. And if there is black color, टिपके असले तर, that will be very small spots of black color, that will be paper. So paper and salt nice, so that you know very well now. And today we'll see how to remove that. And of course, if you want to remove the paper and salt noise from an image, currently we do not have such image with us. So what we'll do, we'll read a image from the library, say cameraman.tif. We will add paper and salt noise or salt and paper noise there, and later on we will remove it with the filter. Median filter sir has talked already with you in the theory class. So we'll see here, the first instruction, that is experiment number 5. Then it is programmed to remove noise from the images. First I read the image I is equal to imread cameraman.tif, it will be read. Then here I commented one instruction here, that is I is equal to RGB to gray. So and initially image I नहीं था, P था initial program में, I modified something. Suppose you have colored image, then you have to convert it into RGB to gray. Later on you may go for this addition of noise and removal of noise. So here whatever the image that we have cameraman.tif, that we that is already grayscale image. So I will subplot that to show the image as an original image title. Then I will add the noise. For that there is an instruction J. J is of course matrix. We assign a name parameter to the image, new image which is forming. So im noise is the function which will add salt and paper noise to the original image I with certain say percentage, very small. We'll change this 0.02, then you'll come to know what is this 0.02, how much pepper and salt noise is to be added. That is nothing but the parameter 0.02. We'll subplot this image as a title noisy image, and then I will run whatever the image J, which is now noisy. I is pure image, J is noisy image with salt and paper noise. Then I will use median filter medfit2. Medfill2 is the function, and that median filter is applied on image J, which will remove the pepper and salt noise added, and which is now new image which is removed noise. We'll subplot on the graph and we'll write the title median filter image. Very short program, readily function is available, that is med filter. We are just running the median filter 3 by 3 on the noisy image. So I'll run this program. After running, we'll get the output. Okay, so in this you can see first left top is the original image which is cameraman.tif. Later on, I added pepper and salt noise. So you can see second image, which is on the right hand top corner. Noisy image is the title, where you can see several white and black dots are there. White is salt and black is pepper. So this noise is added. And later on the same noisy image, we applied a filter, median filter of 3 by 3, and you can see the last image, which has a title median filtered image, is say original image is recovered, so noise is removed. So here is how uh, your median filter 2 works. Let's change this 0.2 se leke I'll try to make it 0.5 and run it now. What difference you find? I made im noise में I comma salt and pepper comma 0.02 था, I made it 0.05. What change you observed in previous result and this result? Yes, anybody from you?
Increased salt and pepper noise.
Yes, it increased the salt and pepper noise. That means whatever is the instruction here to add salt and pepper, so it is around what 0.05 means it is. If it is 0.5, then it is 50%. 0.05 means it is 5%. 0.02 is a 2% noise. Let go for the 10% now. You will find the huge difference between 0.2 and 0.02 and 0.1. You can see as you go on increasing the percentage to the image, you can see that much noise is added. Yes, it is a 0.5 I have used, means near about 50%. But what is the problem with the output? Let's see. Now the image is too noisy and your median filter is not working. The filter size is 3 by 3. Filter size is 3 by 3. So जब कम noise था, that was okay. You obtain proper result. That's why choosing filter and filter size is also important. Let do one thing. We will run median filter again on this image. कौन सा L पे मुझे करना है, so I will make K और apply करना है L, because what we did first image is what pure cameraman.tif, then J is image which has 0.5 or say 50% pepper and salt noise we added. We applied median filter of 3 by 3 on that J and obtain L. I'll repeat it. So this second image, median filtered image, still there is a noise. We'll try to rerun the same filter on this L and the result is say K. So here I want what 2 to 4 and I have to show image K, and I will say I'll write here median filter pass 2. We'll see what happened. This is median पहला जो था median filter, I will say pass 1 and run this now and see the output. Do you observe the pass 2 median filtered image is quite better than pass 1? I'm asking the question. Pass 2 is quite better than pass 1?
Yes, sir.
Yes. For again say better view, what I will do, I will change this to 10% only and I'll run it, so that we'll try to, just a minute, I have to increase the noise somewhat. 50% बहुत ज़्यादा हो रहा है. Now you can see how much noise is there. 0.2 means around 20% noise is there, which is added to original image. Then there is a pass 1 median filter image P1, that is pass 1. There is a slight noise into the image, you can see, but pass 2 is quite better than pass 1. If you go for pass 3, उसमें भी कुछ होगा, paper and salt noise that will be removed. So this is how your paper and salt noise can be removed with the help of median filter. Okay, so I'll keep the program similar, that is pass 1 and pass 2 for your ready reference, so that you may write this into your journal. Any questions from your side? Yes, any question from your side? If you have question, I'll wait for 1 minute.
सर जो फिल्टर है वो उसमें से जो नॉइस है वो एक बार में क्यों नहीं निकल सकता?
Actually, whatever the filter size you are applying, like come to the analog, like we have say we have a say rectifier using conventional way, transformer, then say diode, and it may be bridge rectifier. Later on you will be having some noise into that, means noise in the sense of what we can say fluctuations, some ripple frequency is there, and after connecting say ripple frequency is too much, बहुत ज़्यादा है, and if you are connecting say only 1 microfarad capacitor for that, and in parallel with the output, and if you observe the output, you will not get pure DC straight line, you will not get, still there will be certain ripple, right? Because you have not chosen proper filter there. But if you are placing 100 microfarad there, then obviously the ripples you have already intentionally, I'm giving you the conventional example of filters in analog electronics. You have already performed, all of you have performed EDC practical, wherein there was filter analysis for half wave and full wave rectifier kit थी, जहाँ पे 4 resistance and 4 capacitance के 16 combinations you had performed, like R1 C1, R1 C2, R1 C2, 3 and C4, similarly up to R4 C4, 16 combination. You observe that ripple factor is very less. Ripple factor is very less in the last combination R4 C4, because C4 का भी value बहुत था and R4 का भी value बहुत था. But here in this case, median filter, you are running medium filter of 3x3 mass. If you change that, of course your result will change. And if it is not happening, then you can again and again pass the same filter, and partially you will gradually you will remove the noise. Like whenever in general example, whenever at our home, suppose you're cleaning the grains, say wheat, you might have seen what your mother is doing. Instantly he or she cannot say refine the wheat. It needs certain process, several times refine it. So similarly here, if the noise is say huge or say large, then we have to either apply proper filter on that, else we will refine the whatever is the original or noisy image, and whenever we are getting expected result, we'll stop there. Okay, so like it is filtering stages, and that varies application to application. Like if somebody is saying that paper and salt noise can be removed by median filter 3x3, मैंने इसीलिए ये रन करके दिखाया है बहुत बार. This running the median filter on every noisy image. पहला जो इससे पहले जो प्रोग्राम था यहाँ तक ही था, कैमरामैन की इमेज रीड की, देन salt and paper noise added, then it is removed. Today's theory lecture I have seen pass 1, pass 2. So I thought more knowledge should be impart to you people. So that's why I did this pass 1 and pass 2. So that not only say single filter is sufficient, it is also dependent on what amount of noise is present in your image. Accordingly, you have to select filter, select its parameter, and select the number of times, how many number of times it has to be applied, or frequency, कितनी बार उसे आपको अप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. भाग्यश्री, is your query clear? Bhagyashri, I think you asked the question. Bhagyashri Agrawal. Yeah, is it clear now?
Hello.
Is it clear now? Is it a doubt clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Now clear.
So don't keep in your mind that a single filter will
Yes,
work
sir.
everywhere. It is depending on your application. अलग अलग जगह पे you will get अलग अलग images. In medical field you will get different image. In natural scene you'll get different image. Every what application will have different images, even though everywhere we do have different lighting condition and different attributes of the camera, which is say image sensing device, megapixels, resolution, everything comes there. Noise, lights कितना है, illumination, light illumination कितना है, dark में ले रहे हैं, sunlight में ले रहे हैं. That also very important. Background, what is background, what is foreground, everything is there. So many parameters are there. By the time you will learn that. So if there is no doubt from any other student, I'll stop this meeting, and similarly we may schedule an extra lecture for experiment number 6, or maybe conduct it later on after Diwali. Decide accordingly. So shall I end the lecture? Okay. Okay then, so thank you. Bye.